Okay, hello, this is how to install Palemon and iMacros 897. So first, you need to download Palemon from the official website. You can use the newest version of Palemon. For example, you can download it for 32-bit or 64-bit. Just download it, and after it, you can install the Palmon. Example. Wait, let me drop this here. Okay, click next. Install the app as usual. Then click finish and run the Palmon. Okay, and then next to install iMacros, you can click Palmon here. Click add-on, and then let's remove this first. Okay, click add-on, and then you can drag and drop the iMacros extension. Okay, after you drag and drop it, click install now and restart. That's it. Your iMacros is installed, as you can see here. Thank you.